Johnny Depp has been camped out at the Ritz-Carlton in Virginia during his marathon defamation trial against ex-wife Amber Heard, recuperating from his daily courtroom grind with chicken parmigiana dinners and red wine. Jurors received the sensational case on Friday and deliberated for 2 hours before breaking for Memorial Day weekend. They returned Tuesday to continue weighing the case. Located roughly 15 minutes away from the Fairfax County Courthouse, the five-star property is in McLean, Virginia, conveniently connected to a high-end shopping mall that boasts Louis Vuitton and Gucci among other luxury retailers. The actor has a suite at the hotel and takes most of his meals at the Parm, a fine dining steakhouse with more than 30 locations across the U.S., Puerto Rico and Mexico. The Black Mass star has frequently dined with his bodyguards, attorneys and other handlers in a private room off the bar that has a curtain and a separate exit. Depp typically has descended from his room after the restaurant's crowds have dissipated, a source said. The veteran thespian and his entourage routinely drop $1,000 a night on fine wines and have opted for the $35 chicken parmigiana entree as their default dish, according to another source. The eatery, which paints caricatures of its famed clientele on its walls, added Depp's visage just last week. The actor's image appears next to fellow movie star Nicolas Cage, who got him into acting, and not far from wrestler Ric Flair and boxer Mike Tyson. A patron must drop a minimum of $15,000 before earning a coveted spot on the wall. Depp signed the portrait of himself, in which he sports a thin mustache, a goatee and shaggy hair. The venue already had a Pirates of the Caribbean banner above an entrance near Depp's secreted dining area, but that has been there for years, a patron told Fox News Digital. Staffers at the restaurant declined to comment. In a shock to many, Depp jetted off to Europe over the weekend to play with guitarist Jeff Beck at the Royal Albert Hall in London. It remains unclear whether the actor will return for the verdict. H is suing his ex-wife for $50 million over an op-ed she wrote in The Washington Post alleging she was the victim of domestic abuse. Depp says the piece ruined his reputation and career. Heard is countersuing for $100 million, alleging that Depp defamed her by calling her abuse allegations a hoax through his attorney, Adam Waldman.